Hello. This is Honda Electronics. This video was produced for customers who have purchased our Animal Ultrasound Diagnostic Imaging System HS-103V. This video explains basic operations and introduces useful functions. Please try operating the product along this video. Let's begin. Attachment of the shoulder belt. Using the shoulder belt helps you when operating the product as it frees up your hands. When you attach the shoulder belt, make sure you attach it in the correct way. If you attach it wrong, the product could fall down. Also, please adjust the length of the shoulder belt for each user. Quick Set Mode. Quick Set Mode is a convenient feature that allows you to change settings without opening menus. Gain, range, frequency, and HRES can be changed. How to do Quick Set Mode. Press and hold the menu key for 1 second. Then Quick Set mark will appear in blue in the lower right corner of the display, and the currently selected item will change to blue text. Next, use the left and right keys to select the item you want to change. Use the up and down keys to change the setting. Finally, press the menu key to complete the setting. Focus setting. Focus is the function to bring an area into focus. It allows you to clearly see the area you wish to observe. The focus is marked by a blue triangle on the left side of the screen. This indicates that the focus is at a certain level. You can change the focus level using the up and down keys. Now, please take a look at the image on the right. Let's try focus on the blood vessel at the top. We were able to clearly capture the shape of the blood vessel by adjusting the focus. Left and right inversion. This function allows you to flip the scanning image of the probe left and right for your own viewing convenience. By selecting a display that is easier for you to see, diagnosis can be performed more smoothly. The green triangle on the screen is the probe mark. The one with this mark is the tip side of the probe. To set the left-right inversion, press the menu key while scanning and select B mode setting. Select left, right. Change the setting. You can check if the left-right reversal has been made by looking at the position of the probe mark. CNA Memory and CNA Loop. After freeze, you can view the scanned image or video image immediately before freeze. No need to worry even if the freeze timing is delayed. You can go back to the previous image. Even if you are unable to freeze at a good point, you can rewind without having to rescan, reducing the stress on veterinarians and the animals. First, freeze the display. See the video on the right. The timing was a little late and the part of the image you want to see is off to the right, so you can't see it well anymore. But it's alright. Use the left and right keys to adjust the display back to the point you want to see. Press and hold to move 5 frames at a time, or press like clicking to move 1 frame at a time. Next, let's take a look at the CNA Loop. First, freeze the display in the same way. Next, press the up key to bring up the CNA Loop. This is a function repeats the previous image. There are 3 speeds, which can be changed with the left and right keys. Press the up key again to freeze the display. Doppler Functions. Doppler mode is a mode to observe blood flow. It is useful for pregnancy determinations. Pressing the Doppler key during scanning allows you to switch to color Doppler mode, which is expressed in red or blue. And pressing it again allows you to switch to power Doppler mode, which is a function that observes the presence or absence of blood flow. Saving image and video file. Image saving is a function that allows you to save a still image of what you have scanned. By saving the image, you can review it later, measure it, and keep a record of it. Press the freeze key to freeze the screen. Then press the store key twice to save the image. The save name will be the time the image was saved. Or, after freezing, press the store key only once. You will then switch to the number input screen. You can enter up to 10 digits. To save image to USB memories, connect the USB memory to the product. Press the menu key. Select Image Utility and the Date folder. Select Operation. And then select Copy. Saving video. In freeze mode, you can specify the range of video to be stored in the CNA memory. After freeze, press and hold the store key. The green line will appear where the CNA Loop is indicated. Select the frame to start saving the video, and press the Fix key to confirm. Select the end frame of the video, and press the Fix key to confirm. The area where the video is to be saved is indicated by the green frame. Then, the selected range of images will begin to be saved to internal memory as the video file. Video file can be copied to USB memory by the same procedure with saving image file. Key type setting. You can change the key panel function assignment between left and right. Select the type that is easier to use according to which hand you hold the HS-103V. Freeze and menu keys are left as they are symmetrical. The store and Doppler keys for saving and the fix and cancel keys can be interchanged. To switch keys, press the menu key in the freeze mode and select System Setting. Select Key Assign. Select the type. This concludes our introduction to basic HS-103V operations. We hope this video will be of some help to you. If you have any questions, please contact a distributor from whom you purchased the product or us. Thank you for watching.